Welcome to part 4, the final part of this 4-part presentation video for container trailers. In this video I'm going to present this red container trailer. It's a simple design, and unlike the last two trailers, this one actually works. So I'm going to show that it works and also show the mechanism behind it. So there's instructions for this just like all the others, and I'm going to give a link for the instructions right below. Now this trailer here, you can see the legs are currently up. You can just put them down if you want, but if they are up, then when you're reversing, then after a while they will go down. And again, if you are going with your truck and attaching, then going forwards, after a while, the legs will go up. So, did you see it? Let's see again. I'm reversing, and after a while, the legs will go down. I'm going forward, and after a while, the legs will go up. So, it works fairly well. In case that the legs are a bit too soft, then you can just tighten it up by squeezing a bit here. Oh, it's lightning outside. So, wow. The container goes on top, just like all the other trailers. Oh, you probably want to have a truck when the legs are up like that. You are reversing and the legs go down after a little while. You can change the gearing if you think it's too much of a weight, but this is how I prefer it. So, the mechanism behind this, I'm not going to show it that because I have a mock-up just like all the other times. So, you have the wheels which transfer power with a gearing. First here, you see from the black gear down here. Let's see if we can make a good macro shot. Like this, up to the tan one, giving a 1 to 2 reduction. Then again with the two dark gray gears, a 1 to 3 reduction. So all in all you have, for each time you turn the wheel 6 times, this gear up here is going to turn once. Now the next part with this red pin here is directly attached to the gearing of the wheel, so it will turn with the wheels. The next part here is a tiny 2 lift arm, which is attached to this block here using a blue gear pin. Let me just take it off so you can see, like this, and it turns with some resistance. Then you have this part connected directly to the legs going up and down. So attach it to this other part again. Wow, well done. So usually it doesn't break like that, but of course it's going to do so if I'm making a video. And we are back. Okay, so this first part here attached to the wheels will only engage this lift arm once it touches. So once it goes the other way around, it takes a long while before it touches again and is able to push the legs the other way. And that's why you have the delay, and that's also the reason why you can continue reversing once the legs are down. And it's a very simple mechanism, and it actually works, unlike the other two. And yeah, I have building instructions for this. The colors are just a tiny bit different because this one I have here is actually, don't know if you can see it, but it is. Let's see, it's too light. These parts here are glow in the dark, which is impossible to catch on video, but yeah, and it looks great when it's not. And that's it for the presentation of the container trailers. So, as a conclusion, this one works, and the first one works because it just has simple legs that go up once you go forward. And that's it.